Welcome back friends. Friends, from this video I will explain you 7 target strategies. I am going to explain 7 pillars of life which are essential for success. First one is food. Food is very essential. Everybody knows that man lives on the basis of food. So if a person even does not have a next time food, so how can he concentrate on his future? Obviously, he will remain worried on his next time food. So what will he eat in next time? So first try to make yourself able to get out of this food problem. Second one is clothes. If you don't have good clothes, then you cannot make your personality. So you should have some clothes which can be weird when you go to your office and you go to your business work, for putting a good impression on others. Third one is home. If you, as I said before, if you have a good comfortable home, then you can take rest after doing a lot of struggle. Health also plays an important role. This is also the main pillar of life. As I said, 7 pillars of life. Education. So without education, an illiterate man faces a lot of hurdles in succeeding his life, and an educated person faces less hurdles because he has education and he can judge the persons and he can put his good impression on others. So education is also must for everyone. I have also said that education does not mean that you should have a university holder degree or college degree, but you should have a good knowledge of your society and what's going on in your society. Law also plays an important role. If you don't know about the law, you can be in trouble, because wherever you do your work or you run your business, you must have your rivals, and you have dispute with your rivals and the persons who are opposite to you. So if you know the law, you can tackle them in effective way. And the last one is life partner. So those persons who don't have a life partner, they don't have opportunity to share their worries, to share their sorrows or tragedies with her, or if she's a lady, then him. So both males and females, it is essential that they must have a good like-minded life partner where they can exchange their ideas, they can exchange their worries, and they can feel comfort to sit with his or her life partner. So you also consider on these 7 pillars of life, and first you try to take these 7 things in your life if you want to make yourself a successful person. So if you have these 7 things, then it will be easy for you to make your future plan. Now I go to next page, success launch plan. So now I have given you a success launch plan in all previous videos. Now I will show you some things which must be avoided. You should try to avoid from them. So I go to next page, time killers. Must consider on your time killers activities. First one is, in this modern age, internet surfing. Don't waste your time on useless internet surfing, watching TV. And third one is travel time. You don't go any useless journey. Don't do any useless journey, because it will just a wastage of time. And then you consider how many hours you spend on these time killers activities: 2 hours, 3 hours, and 10 hours daily. So now I go to next page, compound effects. This is very important. There are always certain compound effects behind every success and failure. First is get out of dream world. Get yourself out of dream world, because it is also a compound. It creates also a compound effect. The meaning of compound effect, that all daily routine life actions, when they gather, then they show a result. If your daily routine work is good, then in the end of 1 year or 2 years they will present a good result. Otherwise they will show a bad result. So first is get out of dream world. Don't live in the dream world. Most of the people I have seen in my life and students, they always live in their dream world. They say that they will be an officer one day, they will be a good businessman one day, but actually in practical life they don't do anything. Second thing, concentrate on present. Don't remain in your past and don't live in your future. Always try to live on your present life. Then you will be able to create a habit of concentrating. If you remain in your past or if you remain in your future, then you will always live in dream world. So try to live on present and concentrate on your present life. Third one, collect strength to start. Then collect strength to start your journey in the right way. So in next video I shall come back and give you this startup plan. So I see you in next video.